What's up guys, my name is Joe and in today's video, iPhone 10, iPhone 10 Plus, and iPhone 9. These are the new models. Well, not exactly. iPhone 10, this is the real deal. This is the original phone that came out in 2017. Now these are just dummies. But this is what they are going to look like. This is what the iPhone 10 Plus and the iPhone 10 or iPhone 9 will look like. So in this video, I'm going to show you the differences between the three devices, what we can expect in 2018 September 12th when they will be announcing these guys, and I'll tell you where I got these. So stick with me. Alright guys, so first and foremost, the obvious thing. In this video you will see this iPhone 9, but I've already cracked it. I held it in the wrong position, so there's this little crack on it. Well, I screwed up, that's it. Anyway, let's go with the video. So first of all, if we look at these phones side by side, there's one thing that has been confirmed by the rumors. Or actually, these are still rumors, but anyway, it's been confirmed that there will be an iPhone 10, which is the smallest one, 5.8 inches. There will be an iPhone 9, which is 6.1 inches, and there will be an iPhone 10 Plus, which is 6.5 inches. Now, I am holding these dummies because these are dummies. These are actually hollow inside. These are only the designs of the phones because of a company called Ritter. They make cases for iPhones and Samsung phones, high quality phone, and they make great cases. Now, they are already making cases for these phones because they're so sure that these will be the final designs, and I'm pretty sure that these will be the final designs because all the rumors point to this. Now, first, let's go through on the details on what we know and how these phones look and what we can expect. So first we have the iPhone 10. In 2018, we will have an iPhone 10 that will be called the iPhone 10, and the 2017 model will be discontinued. There will be a 2018 model that will have better processing power, an A12 chip, better camera, better Face ID, and who knows what else. There will be something magical. Probably Apple always gives us something magical, something very, very cool. So that will be 5.8 inches, as you can see over here. So this is the phone. This is how it looks. This is the screen ratio. Now in this phone, in the iPhone 9, it's rumored that this will have more colors. So it'd be like white, space gray, rose gold, red, blue, whatever, like the iPhone 5C models, it'll have multiple colors. Now, as you can see, side by side, there is a difference in height, in width, and in depth. So as I see it next to each other, the iPhone 9 is a bit thicker than the iPhone 10, which I don't mind if there's a better battery built in. The most obvious thing you can actually see is that on the iPhone 9 there will be only one camera, just like on the iPhone 8 models, not the Plus models, the 8 models. iPhone 10 will have two cameras and the iPhone 10 Plus will have two cameras. This camera will be inferior to the ones that are built in the iPhone 10 models because, as I said, this will be the budget model. If I look around this phone, you can actually see that it's pretty standard on what we know so far. Glass back, glass front, glass back, I already cracked it. It's hollow, so I pressed a little bit too hard, it cracked, but the normal phone won't do this. It's rumored to have Gorilla Glass 5 in it, or 6, I don't know which is the highest. It's gonna be a newer model called Gorilla Glass, so it's pretty cool. Now, what you can see currently on the iPhone 10, you have the power button, and right below it, you have the SIM card slot. On the iPhone 9, you have the power button, and way down here below, you will have the SIM card slot. So it's pretty cool to see that. There will be lightning cables, so no USB on these models, as I see it. The flash has migrated down below the camera, and it's rumored to come around $700–800 maybe, so it's gonna be cheaper. But there is a drawback. There are actually two drawbacks. One is the screen. It's gonna be LCD, not like OLED, which is in the iPhone 10 and will be in the iPhone 10 Plus. Also the Face ID that's built in over here, because as you can see, this is full-length screen. There are no more buttons on iPhones. It's the future. Face ID version 1, the one that we have in the iPhone 10 currently, will be coming to this, and iPhone 10 and 10 Plus will get version 2, which will be a lot better. So this is how it looks. Space gray as how it looks. it's pretty cool to see actually side by side if you can see the size comparison. Now, if I put the iPhone 10 Plus next to it, you can see that it's like, and it's a lot bigger. The camera on the iPhone 10 Plus is the same size as on the iPhone 10, so there will be no difference over there. With the design, you can see that that it's pretty similar to the iPhone 10. The space between the power button and the SIM card little place is relatively exactly the same. There's nothing on top. You have the volume rockers and the mute switch, and on the bottom you have the lightning cable and the speakers. No iPad Pro like speakers. What I can see is the Apple logo is a little bit bigger on the iPhone 10 Plus, but I don't know if that's the final design because they didn't nail the iPhone font over here on the bottom. So we'll see about that. But the screen is actually so huge. I can fit an iPhone 10 on the screen of an iPhone 10 Plus, and there's still space up here and a little bit space over here on the side. So it's gonna be huge, guys. This is a big phone, but in terms of size, in terms of actual size of this unit, it's gonna be very, very, very close to an iPhone 8 Plus. So you won't be getting a bigger phone, you're just gonna have more screen real estate, which is very interesting to see. I'm actually compelled to buy the iPhone 10 Plus because it's huge. But one thing I noticed is this is nearly impossible to reach the top with one hand. So either they're gonna have the solution with a landscape view, because I think that's gonna help a lot of people. If you can use the phone like this, it's a lot easier, it's a lot bigger, it's more comfortable. Because on the iPhone 10, I can actually reach the top. As you can see, I go up, I pull it down with one hand. It's reachable. On iPhone 10 Plus, that's not the case. So guys, there you have it. iPhone 10 Plus, iPhone 10, and iPhone 9. In terms of price, iPhone 9 will start $800. iPhone 10 will continue to have the $1,000 value, and iPhone 10 Plus will start at $1,200. So you have to have deep pockets. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, and don't forget, actually, it's an announcement. I'm giving away an iPhone 10. So if you want to win an iPhone 10, first you have to subscribe to my channel, and then check out the description below, because there's everything you need to know about the giveaway. So that's all. You just click on the link, it'll take you to a sign up page, you sign up, and boom, that's it. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, until my next video, stay safe and hang.